guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. Thank you. Morning. Sana kunini ntimile. But sabandvulela, I'm at my friend's place. How are you? So, as I was saying, I am at my friend's place. Going shopping today for a graduation dress. Yeah, so and oh girl, I get it. She was like, can you go around 10 or 11? It's after 10 now. I'm at a place. Usageza. Yeah, but it's cool. It's fine. I'm just waiting for her now, and then guys